Hello everyone. Today we will analyze one simple but at the same time difficult situation on the road. For beginners it will be very informative. So, 3 cars at the intersection of equal roads. There is no sign or traffic light at this intersection. The red car turns left, the white car turns left, and the black car also turns left. Question: what is the sequence of travel in this situation? The correct answer is A, black, white, red. In this situation, without road signs and traffic lights, the right-hand rule applies at this intersection. That is, whoever has no obstacle on the right goes first. Wait, here's an interesting and slightly crazy fact. The roads in the Philippines are so congested that the government had to limit the number of days a driver can be on the road. Those whose license plates end in even numbers are allowed to drive on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays.